Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or even linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. I unexpectedly hopped on the Vlogmas train. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to do that this year, but I had a spurt of inspiration. I don't have a definite schedule, but you can expect anywhere from 1 to 3 videos from me until the end of the year.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Alrighty gang, so sorry the lighting's not that good, but I'm just still in bed. So on the agenda today, I want to go to Green Heart. I'm about to go get dressed to go right now. This is a juice shop. I'm not sure if you guys remember my video where I did a 24-hour juice fast. This is a fresh juice shop. Is there something on my oven? And they have really good juices. So I was thinking I would start the morning with one of my favorites, which is their beetroot one, which helps with energy and also is really tasty. And then I wanted to go over my favorite fitness products that I used this year that I absolutely loved and share that with you guys. And I also wanted to show you guys a recipe that I've actually made for years now. I haven't made it in a while, but we remade it last night and it was superb. But
thank you. Have a great day, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
secured the bags. When I tell you this shot was $4, y'all seen the recipe. You don't need to pay $4 for this shot. But let's try this. Just lemon and ginger. Sorry, the lighting is kind of weird. And you can see the white stuff at the bottom. That's so natural. That's how you know. That's how ours look too. 2 fluid ounces. Well, cheers, mate. Woo, my nose. It zanged my nostril. Like, I felt a zang in here.
I'm sorry I laughed. I didn't mean to laugh, but that was funny.
Ours tastes better. Try this. Theirs is like
Zangy?
extra gingery. And I like ginger, but I'm interested to see what you think.
You said,
Because I kid you, something zanged inside of my nose when I took that shot.
It hit a
It
nerve.
hit something inside.
Oh, God.
Ours are way better.
They are.
It's not just me. Ours are better. Isn't it?
Oh
like,
my gosh, it's like coming up out of water because it's so like.
very spicy. I kid you not, something zanged inside of my nose. They fill it up to the top though. Look, they don't play no game. It's so good. If you love beets, you're gonna love this.
And if you don't love that, tell them about the beetroot pill because it does the same thing.
Yeah, you guys remember I used to take the beetroot capsules. It's the same effect. That's why I got this, because it'll give me some energy this morning. So this is 18 ounces of juice, nice and cold and yummy. I also ran to the store, you guys, to grab one more of these. So we had one in the freezer, which I bought like a week or 2 ago, but I only bought this for me and my sister. My mom didn't end up going out of town, so I needed another one. So we're gonna do honey jerk salmon tonight, and this salmon right here is a little special because it's lightly smoked. If you guys know smoked salmon, like the ones I put on my bagel, it has this smell to it, this aroma. It just smells really, really delicious. This is our first time trying salmon like this, so, but they're both about to be popping. I've literally tried to film a video twice for you guys, but one thing or the other didn't work out, so I took a food break. Making a bagel, which I've showed you guys before. When I tell y'all this is the 3rd time I'm attempting to film this. All right guys, so I wanted to share with you some items that I've been using this year that really made a difference in my fitness journey, things I really love that made my journey easier, more enjoyable. So I really wanted to share that with you guys. I like watching videos like this because it helps me to incorporate some new things I wasn't thinking of into my regimen to make fitness easier for me. First item we're going to go into, I actually accidentally threw away, which sucks because there was product still in it, but it was my greens powder. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. I absolutely love this greens powder. The taste is really good. You're getting in your greens, and it also offers a natural boost of energy, which I absolutely enjoy. I used to have this first thing in the morning a lot to help just get me going, get get me moving. Since I threw it away, it's definitely been on my mind to start incorporating and maybe subscribe to it again on Amazon so that I can start having it in the mornings. I've been getting up really early for work, so it's been on my mind to make it a priority to start incorporating that back in my regimen again. You can see how many times I've ordered it on Amazon because I really do love the flavor, and I really like being able to get in all my greens first thing in the morning in one little scoops. The next item I'm going to be going into is a pre-workout. This is the Chrissy Cella Women's Best collaboration. This is her flavor Sweet Peach. This is probably the best pre-workout I've ever tasted. It's so good. It's actually tastes refreshing, like a treat. I kind of wish they had this flavor in other things, like maybe a BCAA, because I love the flavor that much, and if it didn't give me the tingles, I would definitely incorporate it more. If you are sensitive to caffeine, kind of like I am, as in like I hate the crash after I take this, maybe you should try taking half a scoop. That's something that I do. I like taking half a scoop, so buying one of these definitely lasts me quite a while. And I actually just bought two because GNC was having a great sale, buy one get one 50% off, and then I also got an additional 10% off for picking it up in store, which is really close to me, less than half a mile. So that's super nice. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for a pre-workout. Next item is a protein powder. So this is the PB Fit Organic Protein Powder. When it comes to protein, this is about the same as traditional peanut butter at 8 grams, but calorie wise, it is only 70 calories, which I think, depending on the peanut butter that you buy, it could be double that calorie wise. So if you're watching your calories, or if you want something a little calorie friendly, definitely check this out. I love the flavor of this. You guys know one of my favorite smoothies has this soy milk. We have banana in it, honey, as well as some almond butter. So I love this, you guys. We actually just finished up another container of this, but this is a staple in our household, and it is very tasty. If you're looking for a plant-based, non-whey source of protein, definitely check this out. We buy it on Amazon, and this is extremely affordable as well, you guys. This isn't even, I think this is less than $20, so it's very affordable for a protein powder. Next, I'm gonna be moving into just two supplements that I've really been loving. So this is the Doctor's Best High Absorption Magnesium. You guys, magnesium has countless benefits. It does help a lot with your bone, heart, and nerve health and your muscle health, as it lists right here, you guys. I also really like taking this before bed at night. It helps me to wind down, you guys. Magnesium is one of those supplements that a lot of people are actually deficient in, and it helps with a lot of processes in the body. So definitely check it out, do your own research on it, and see if it makes sense to incorporate into your regimen, but I really do like it. Something else I want to note about this is the high absorption magnesium. So a lot of these supplements of magnesium, it's hard for our body to break down and actually absorb. I can't remember why exactly. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen, but definitely just do your research on it. I'm all about like you researching it and gathering your own data and drawing your own conclusions based on your own experience and the things that you find online. So definitely do that and see if it makes sense to incorporate in your regimen. But I've actually really loved magnesium, and it helps a lot with recovery as well. Another item I'm going to include, which I don't really have with me, it's in my mom's bathroom, is some Epsom salt, you guys. I love Epsom salt, you guys. You do need a high quantity to really get the most out of it in a bath, but we buy it from Walmart. It's really affordable, but I love it, you guys. It helps so much with recovery. It's nice to just soak in it and just know that your body is going to be nice and relaxed. Yeah, I definitely recommend you include that in your regimen for recovery. The next thing is another supplement, and this is called Glucosamine Sulfate. You guys have probably heard this be called simply glucosamine. That's what I hear a lot of people call it when they reference this supplement. So this is really good for your joints. I have joints that definitely they need some support, so this is the best way for me to do that. You're supposed to take 2 capsules a day. I'm definitely trying to get better at taking my supplements, but this is one of my favorites. This one's really affordable. Definitely do your research on glucosamine if you do need some help and your joints need some support. I do really like this one. The next 2 items I actually keep in my car, so I don't have them with me, but we're going to be moving into like things that I use at the gym. So the first thing is going to be a hip thrust pad, you guys. I still to this day see so many women thrusting without a pad or trying to ball up their sweatshirt or something, and while you definitely can do that, I definitely think investing in a hip thrust pad is definitely well worth it. My new gym that just opened up really close to my house, they actually do have their own pads there, which is super convenient, but the last couple gyms I've been to actually don't have their own pads, so it's nice to just have your own and just come prepared for your workout, and you don't have to compromise on anything because you don't have the equipment. I believe this one was less than $20 on Amazon. I'm going to link everything below for you guys. I'm sure there are other ones that are cheaper or fit you better. Definitely do your research, check out Amazon, but I definitely recommend that you do have your own because it's just nice to have your own. And also with the virus, you know, the virus, it's nice to just have your own, know where it's been, be able to clean it, and know that it's only been touched by you. Okay, so the next item, I can't remember the exact name, but I think they're called like ankle straps. I really love the ones that I have. They have these very strong D-rings that just really, they feel sturdy on the machine no matter how much weight you use. And these are primarily used, if you guys don't know what these are, they're primarily used for like kickbacks. I personally really love them. They're such a great glute isolation exercise. I also got these on Amazon. I can't remember how much they were, but I'll put it up on the screen. They're really affordable, you guys, and I definitely think it's nice having your own equipment when you're going to the gym, or if there's some things you want to focus on. You can even do like abductors with this on a cable machine. I really love these, you guys, and it really helps me to focus in on my glutes. You can even go lightweight and use this as a warm-up to get your glutes fired up before a good glute workout. Next item, these are my workout gloves, you guys. They're looking a little rickety and a little raggedy at this point, but I actually kind of love that these are like worn in. I feel like that's how they really start to fit your hands better. These ones are nothing special. They're nothing super expensive. I believe I got them on Amazon, and of course I'll link them below, but I just really love these, you guys. It's so important to be very aware of the wear and tear on your body with certain things. So like hip thrust pad, like, you know, I've heard so many people about getting bruises and stuff on their hips, and wearing something like gloves. I wear gloves every single workout. Doesn't matter if it's upper body or lower body. For lower body, if you're deadlifting and you're using a good amount of weight, it's just nice to have something that's going to protect your hands, and not only that, you guys, but provide you with way more grips. I've seen people use gloves, something like this. I've even seen people use like some kind of straps, which look super cool. So these are the ones that I use. They're a little old, like I said, I've had them for a while now, it feels like, but I absolutely love them, you guys. I will not do a workout without them because they're just so amazing, and they protect your hands so much, which I think is necessary. The last product. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. So I actually bought this, I think, for the September Step Challenge. So this is technically a water bottle holder. It has like a drawstring at the top. It has this beautiful like floral pattern, the one that I chose. They have other patterns as well. It has a short strap and a long strap. You guys, in addition to the water bottle pocket, you have this pocket here, which has this little clip for your keys. I've even used it for my AirPod, and it has this little thing inside as well where you could slip something in there, and also a pocket in the front, you guys. So this is technically a water bottle carrying case, and when I was doing long walks, it was definitely nice to be able to put water in here, you guys. But in addition to that, I will put my phone in here, again, my AirPods or my keys. And the reason I love this is it really allows me to be hand-free, you guys. I really like to get in a good stride and get in a good walk, and carrying this with me, even if I'm not carrying water, I love to just slip my phone in here. It's easy access. Or even if I'm filming for you guys, I'll put my camera in here, my phone in here, so they're both easily accessible. And honestly, you guys, this is also really great for hiking if you want to carry a water bottle with you, and you want to carry your other essentials as well. So I definitely recommend you check this out if you're looking for one. These straps are adjustable as well and removable if you'd want to do without one. I believe that is it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions about any products. So we have our beautiful lightly smoked salmon in here, and then I'm about to throw together the marinade. I think I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of this, and then a tablespoon of this honey. Yep. Mix it together, and then I'm going to throw it on this. A sub for lunch. Got some apple juice here, salsa, and these chips are so good. I love the way these chips taste. Turkey, spicy brown mustard, mayo, tomato, provolone, turkey, onion.
Italian?
Yeah, Italian, salt and pepper. I added some lettuce too. I'm super excited to share this recipe with you. This is probably the best nightcap you could ever have, or even it's 1 p.m. right now. I'm about to have one right now. You can really have this any time of the day, but let me just go over the ingredients really quick. One of the main ingredients is this connolly. So this is pretty much a dupe for Bailey's. If you have Bailey's Irish cream, that is also really good in this. You're just gonna need 1 shot of that. You're gonna need some whipped cream for topping, and also some of this. This is like a really important ingredient. Maxwell House International French Vanilla Cafe. So this is like a powder, you guys, and this is a key component to the flavor. So first things first, you're gonna want to pour your shot into your glass, and then you're going to want to add about 3 tablespoons or so of this stuff. So I'm just going to add this in. You can do more or less of the powder just depending on your flavor preferences. Like if you want more flavor, you can do more spoonfuls. If you want less flavor, you can do less spoons. Next, we're just gonna add in about 10 to 12 ounces of water, and you're gonna just mix it in. If you want to do this instead of like mimosas in the morning, that's a great option. Also, you can do without the whipped cream, but I think it really makes it. Mostly just for looks, I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon. So this is it, you guys. It is so freaking good. I kid you not. Definitely a drink that we think about every year, every winter. It's so good. You actually get the aroma of the cinnamon. It's really, really nice. And I love that you can actually taste the liquor as well. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. Cheese, mate. So this is what our salmon looks like. Brussels sprouts and broccoli. And then some white rice, you guys. I'm so excited to eat this food. Pico de gallo, so good. Brussels sprouts with Parmesan, salt, pepper, butter. So good. Excuse me, it's very spicy. Which is okay. We've been marinating it since noon. But also you can taste that it's lightly smoked, which is fine, but it's just like a noticeable flavor.
In that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.